We have arrived at the Barber Vintage Motorcycle Museum. Let's check this place out. Alright, so here we are at the entrance to the museum. A little statue up front. You can pause it and read the placard. Raining out, so I'm not going to stand here very long. Let's go inside and see if I can find any of my motorcycles. Alright, I'm inside the Barber Motorcycle Museum, and I'm obviously not going to try and videotape this entire thing, but I am going to videotape the motorcycles that interest me. I'm really into the Honda 70, but I haven't owned one for 40 years, so I'm really interested in getting another one. And this is one of my bucket list motorcycles. Alright, up there you have a Suzuki Gs550, the Water Buffalo. Another motorcycle on my bucket list. I actually know a guy that has one, and he's letting it rot away inside his shed in his backyard. I can't quite get him to part with it. So hopefully there's one of those in my future. Alright, just doing a quick overview of the museum here, and I've walked the entire thing. It's taken me a couple of hours. It's a little easier when you're on your own and you don't have to chase kids around and whatnot. I specifically was looking for my motorcycles, and I thought for sure they would have the 1977 Suzuki Gs550 in here. It was the first four-stroke engine for Suzuki, and wildly popular, and a lot of them out there. They do not have one, which surprised me. I checked their database, they don't have one in the warehouse either. So I thought I'd find a 1965 Suzuki K11, one of the three of them I have. They don't have any Suzukis older than 1966. So okay, moving on. I thought I'd find me a Vespa scooter. They do have a Vespa scooter or two, but nothing like my 79. That's okay, you can't have them all. And the other one I thought I would see would be like a Honda Express that I have, you know. No, they don't have much in the way of mopeds. So, very interesting place. You see some really innovative engine items on the older motorcycles. Recommend coming here. The hunt for your own bike is always fun. A little bummer that you can't find it. So, alright, thanks for watching. If you get within 500 miles of here, I recommend making a stop. Have a good day. Bye-bye.